What is up, guys? I am Tanner Gaming, and today we are going to see what happens if you can combine a cauldron and a furnace. So let's get started. Boom, 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 boom. All right, boom, boom. Get out of my way, slime. Alright, look down. Try this again. Hold on, retry this. Okay. How do I do this thing? Okay. Break. Alright. Nothing happens. What the crap, man?
Why is my pillow on the floor?
Mom?
I asked you a question.
You always interrupt me every single video.
I'm sorry.
Sorry about that, guys. Apparently, no one else on YouTube has ever done this before. No one else on YouTube has ever combined a cauldron and a furnace. What the crap?